How to export HD video in Filmora 12. First, check your original source video files. Now, in order to check these details, simply click on right button of video file and click on Properties. Then click on Details and check the total regulations and bit rate of the files. Make sure it's at least above 1080 regulations and bit rate is more than 2500 kbps. Second steps, check your Filmora project settings. Simply click on File and then click on Settings. Make sure your project settings as same your original footage at least 1920 by 1080. Step 3. When you finish your editing, click on Export. You should select the MP4 format and click on Settings button. Open the bitrate mode and select CBR. And type custom 3000 kbps for 1080p videos. That's how you can export HD videos Filmora 12. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.